Go ahead, try it. Take that $100 bill out of your wallet, put it in a scanner and hit copy. Or try to open a photo of it in Photoshop. Go on, I'll wait. You're probably thinking, it's just a piece of paper, how does the software even know? Well, you've just met the EURion Constellation. 5 tiny, harmless-looking yellow rings arranged like Orion's belt. This secret pattern is hardwired into the brain of almost every copier and graphics program on Earth. It's the first line of defense in a high-tech war you didn't even know you were fighting. Today, we're going to peel back the layers of the most sophisticated piece of technology you carry every day. And no, it's not your smartphone, it's your cash. We'll discover why your money can survive a 90°C wash cycle, why a single Swiss family has a monopoly on the world's color, and why your bills are covered in, well, let's just say things that would make a germaphobe scream. Most people call it paper money. Makes sense, right? Wrong. If your dollars were made of wood pulp, they'd fall apart in your pocket in a few weeks. Real banknotes are actually fabric, a blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen. That's why when you forget a 20 in your jeans and they go through the wash, the bill comes out crisp, while your tissues turn into a snowy disaster. Before a bill dies, it can be folded roughly 4,000 times before it finally snaps. Try doing that with your morning newspaper. But some countries decided cotton wasn't tough enough. In 1988, Australia looked at their money and said, let's make it plastic. Polymer notes. They last 2.5 times longer, and weirdly enough, they contain a tiny bit of beef tallow.
Wait, did he just say beef fat? Yes, I did. And British vegans were not happy about it when they found out their £5 notes weren't vegetarian friendly.
Printing money isn't like printing your homework. It's a brutal, high-pressure industrial process. We're talking about intaglio printing. It starts with a master engraver, a dying breed of artists who spend months cutting lines into steel plates by hand. They deliberately add hundreds of wrinkles to the portraits. Why? Because your brain is an evolutionarily fine-tuned face recognition machine. You might not notice if a building on a fake bill is slightly off, but if Benjamin Franklin's left eye looks dead, you'll feel it instantly. Now here's a dirty secret. Almost every country on Earth is dependent on a single secret Swiss family company called SICPA. They have a near monopoly on the ink that changes color when you tilt the bill. This optical variable ink is guarded like the Coca-Cola recipe. It's the gold standard. Without it, your bill is just a colorful scrap of cloth. We produce so much cash that the US alone uses 9.7 tons of ink every single day. That's the weight of almost 2 African elephants, just in green ink. But the real magic happens in the dark. Under UV light, a boring bill turns into a neon rave. There are hidden security fibers embedded inside the paper pulp. They don't just glow, they shine in specific patterns that a standard printer can only dream of. Look at the blue 3D ribbon on a new 100. Those bells aren't just printed, they are a network of millions of microlenses. When you tilt the bill up and down, the bells move side to side. It's an optical illusion powered by technology called motion. You're not holding paper, you're holding a complex optical device. And that watermark? It's not printed either. It's created by making the paper thinner and thicker while it's still wet. It's a ghost trapped inside the fibers. Sometimes, designers get bored. In the 1970s, an engraver for the Seychelles rupee managed to hide the word for copulation in the palm trees. He actually got it into circulation. Or look at the US $1 bill. In the top right corner, there's a microscopic creature hidden in the border. Some say it's a spider, others swear it's an owl. We still don't know for sure. The future is even weirder. New Russian and African bills have augmented reality. You point your phone at them and an animated bird flies off the bill. Money is literally turning into a video game. Now, let's talk about the part they don't tell you in the bank. Money is filthy. A study found that the average European bill carries 26,000 bacterial colonies. It gets worse. Up to 90% of US dollar bills in circulation carry traces of cocaine. It's not that everyone is a drug lord, it's that bills get bunched together in high-speed counting machines, spreading the powder like a financial flu.
You're probably looking at your wallet with disgust right now. Good. That means you're paying attention.
What happens when money dies? When it's too torn or dirty? The Fed shreds it into dust. In the past, they just burned it to heat their buildings. Today, they turn the shredded millions into compost or roof tiles. So the potato you ate for lunch might have literally grown in a soil made of retired millionaires. Next time you hold a simple bill, remember, you're not just holding money. You're holding the result of thousands of years of history, Swiss secret chemistry, and engineering so advanced it makes your laptop look like a calculator. Did you know a polymer 5-pound note is so sharp it can actually play a vinyl record like a needle? Go ahead, look it up. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. Did you know about the beef tallow in money? Write yes or no in the comments.